Hey up folks, it's Simon with Routing for the Planet, and this is further up the old railway line, past our favourite Sheephouse Wood. And I think this one's called Newhall Wood up here, but I'd have to check. On the local biodiversity action plan, this woodland is classed as ancient, which means it's over. It's been here for at least 400 years, if not since the last ice age. So you can tell. Apologies about the noise, as I say, because we're very close to the main road, which shows you that in England especially things are very, very close together. But this is a fantastic stream here, a big gully that runs down into the river in the bottom and then feeds the reservoir. And this is the old railway line that they built specifically to build our local reservoir, and the one above it, the feeder reservoir above it. So yes, it's not great with the heavy goods vehicles going between Manchester and Sheffield. Nearby, you can just see them down there, raised quite high up. I just wanted to have a little look at some of the plants, these natural nature reserves that run alongside. Now this wasn't even a passenger railway line at one time, bearing in mind that this was built specifically 140 years ago, I think, roughly, with a single gauge, single track, old-fashioned steam engine. But the volume of trees that's colonised this bank now since, and there's some absolutely huge, big, gorgeous trees. You've got your small ones like your sycamores here, just your self-sets. There's oak, but as usual in this area, the large beech, the 300-400-year-old beech predominate. In terms of size, anyway, there's a lot of oak about. So it takes us down to another valley down here, just down here. There's a big oak tree there, look, there's two side by side. Huge. So it's a steep bank down. So for my friends, my followers out in more deserty climes, I hope you enjoy this sort of temperate, sort of English, I wouldn't call it rainforest, but it's